Place a piece of aluminum foil around your eyes and you will thank me for life. Few people know this trick, and once you learn it, you will start doing it today. It may happen that at some point in your life you may get bags and dark circles under your eyes. These can come out for several reasons, and one of them is that today we are so exposed to the constant use of devices' screens, which increases the possibility of bags and dark circles. Other people tend to get out of bad habits, few hours of sleep, or hereditary causes. Whatever the case, bags make the face look tired and in bad shape. But no more, because today I will show you a very atypical solution that will help you reduce considerably the bags and dark circles in the eyes in a simple way and using only aluminum foil. To begin with, we are going to take a roll of aluminum foil similar to this one. With the help of a scissor, we are going to cut a good piece of paper and divide it into 2 equal parts. I would like to know from which country you are watching me, so I can send you a special greeting. Today's greeting is for Rafael Castillo from the Dominican Republic. Already cut and divided the paper into 2 parts, we are going to take it to the freezer and leave it there for at least 30 minutes. This step is very important. Once the time has passed, we take the paper out of the freezer. Then we will fold both pieces of paper until we give it a shape that more or less fits the area of the eyes. The benefits of doing this are incredible. Once the paper is folded, we are going to place it in the area of the eyes. We will let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes or until the paper reaches room temperature. The cooling effect of the sheet ensures that the swelling in the area decreases, making you look fresher and feel less tired. It is a method used and recommended by many estheticians around the world. I suggest you do it especially in the morning, as it will make you look much better. Try this method and you will be surprised by the result.